Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore recurring ETF investing with Fidelity Fractional Shares, beginner guide step by step clearly. To restore recurring ETF investing with Fidelity Fractional Shares, begin by logging into your Fidelity account. If you do not have an account, create one by providing necessary information and completing the registration process. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts and Trade tab located on the main menu. Select Transfer Money from the drop-down options to access funding sources. Link your bank account if it's not already connected to ensure easy transfers for investments. After linking your bank account, go back to your account dashboard. Now, click on the Research tab to explore the ETFs available within the Fidelity platform. Utilize the search bar to find a specific ETF you'd like to invest in or browse through categories to discover new options. Once you find an ETF that interests you, click on its name to access more details. Review the ETF's performance, expense ratio, and holdings to ensure it aligns with your investment goals. If you decide to proceed, look for the Buy button on the ETFs page. Enter the dollar amount you wish to invest in the Fractional Shares section. Ensure that the settings are set to recurring investment. Select the frequency of your investment, whether it's weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Set the start date for when you want these recurring investments to begin. Confirm that your bank account is selected for funding these purchases. Review all the details to ensure accuracy. After verification, click Continue to proceed. On the next page, you will review your order one last time. If all looks good, finalize your order by clicking Submit. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your recurring ETF investments are set up. Monitor your investments regularly through the Fidelity dashboard to track performance and make adjustments as needed. This process will allow you to seamlessly invest in ETFs with fractional shares at regular intervals, enhancing your investment strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.